Good morning, students. So today let us recap what we have studied yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we have studied about the testing of CO2 formed. How will you test that CO2 is formed? Okay, so CO2 can be treated by passing through the lime water. Lime water का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? CaOH whole twice, which is calcium hydroxide, और इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं चूना पानी. Okay. So now, when calcium hydroxide, when CO2 is passed through calcium hydroxide, see this one is calcium hydroxide, and when CO2 is passed through it, so when CO2 is passed through calcium hydroxide, then calcium carbonate is formed. Okay, जो calcium carbonate formed है वो कैसे पता चलेगा? जो lime water होगा वो milky हो जाएगा, because CO2 turns calcium hydroxide milky. Okay. एंड अनदर थिंग, व्हेन एक्सेस ऑफ CO2 इज पास्ड, ओके, जब ज़्यादा अमाउंट में CO2 पास करते हैं तो क्या होता है, वो जो प्रोडक्ट हमारा बना हुआ है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, उसके साथ में कंबाइन होके इट कंबाइंस विद द प्रोडक्ट इटसेल्फ एंड फॉर्म्स कैल्शियम हाइड्रोकार्बोनेट. ओके, विच इज़ अगेन कलरलेस. तो क्या हुआ, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कैसा था पहले? कलरलेस था. फिर CO2 पास किया उसमें तो मिल्की हो गया, और जब उसमें ज़्यादा CO2 पास किया तो फिर से वो कलरलेस हो गया. अब क्यों कलरलेस हो गया? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की फॉर्मेशन की वजह से. ओके, सो नाउ रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड्स एंड बेसिस. ओके, जब व्हेन एसिड्स एंड बेसिस रिएक्ट्स विद ईच अदर, देन salts are formed with the removal of water. Okay, so this one is hydrochloric acid, and this one is NaOH or sodium hydroxide base, and this one is salt, sodium chloride, is formed with the removal of water. Okay, when acids and bases reacts to form salt and water, then the reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Okay, जब एसिड और बेस रिएक्ट करते हैं सॉल्ट और वाटर फॉर्मेशन के लिए, देन उस रिएक्शन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. सी HCl से हमें क्या मिलेगा? H प्लस और Cl माइनस आयन. NaOH से क्या मिलेगा? Na प्लस एंड OH माइनस आयन्स. तो Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस कंबाइन होकर क्या बना देगा? सॉल्ट, सोडियम क्लोराइड. एंड H प्लस एंड OH माइनस कंबाइन होकर क्या बना देगा? H2O. Okay, so that is what we have studied till now. Now we are moving on to our next topic. So today we are going to start with the reaction of metallic oxide with acid. Okay, so what are metallic oxides? When metal reacts with oxygen to form metallic oxide. Okay, when metals react with acid with oxides, then when metal reacts with oxygen, then what is formed? Metallic oxides are formed. Okay, and one more most important thing is there, that metallic oxides are basic oxides. ओके, मेटलिक ऑक्साइड्स कैसे होते हैं नेचर में? वो बेसिक होते हैं. ओके, इनको हम लोग बेसिक बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये बेसिक होते हैं नेचर में, बेस. सो इसका एग्जांपल क्या हो जाएगा? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड CaO. ओके, एंड अनदर वन इज MgO, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, एंड Al2O3. Al2O3 is what? Aluminium oxide. So what is this? This one is amphoteric in nature. Okay, it sometimes behave as acid also, acidic also, and sometimes behave as, let me write it down, amphoteric. Okay, so sometimes it is acidic in nature and sometimes it behaves as basic. Okay, so this one is amphoteric in nature and the remaining two are what? Basic in nature. So majority of metallic oxides are basic in nature. So now when reaction of metallic oxides with acid. Okay, when acids reacts with metallic oxide, then salt formation takes place with the removal of water. Okay, you all can write it down the definition I am telling you. Or how will you make the definition from this sentence? See, from this equation, when acids reacts with metallic oxide, then salt formation takes place with the removal of water. Okay, for example, I am going to take one example. So you all know what this is. What is this? This one is hydrochloric acid. and this one is calcium oxide, or one more name is there, common name, it is quicklime. Okay, so when both of them reacts, then see, calcium chloride is formed. Okay, what is this? This is calcium chloride, salt with the removal of water. Okay, now see one thing, we will balance this equation because balancing is necessary for the law of conservation of mass. Okay, see here, calcium is 1, calcium is 1, oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1, Cl2 and hydrogen also 2, so we will simply put 2 here. Now 2 atoms of hydrogen are there, 2 atoms of hydrogen are here also, 2 atoms of chlorine are here also and here also. Okay, so now what is its name? It is calcium chloride. Okay, and now we are moving on to our next reaction, which is reaction of non-metallic oxides with bases. Okay, so now we are going to study about the reaction of non-metallic oxides with bases. So what are non-metallic oxides and what about their nature? They are acidic in nature. Mostly they are acidic in nature. Okay, for example, carbon is a non-metal, so when it burns in oxygen, sufficient supply of oxygen, it gives us carbon dioxide. What is this carbon dioxide? And it is acidic in nature. Now what we are going to take? We are going to take one base, that is calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. What is this? Calcium hydroxide will be what? It is a base, and when CO2 is passed through it, or when it reacts with CO2, then what is formed? CaCO3 with the removal of water. Okay, so salt formation takes place with the removal of water. So this one is calcium hydroxide, and this one is calcium carbonate. What is this? This one is base and this one is salt. So how will you generalize this whole reaction? See, it will be like this. Base reacts with what? Non-metallic oxide, then salt formation takes place with the removal of water. Okay, so how will you learn this reaction, or how will you write the definition in your copy? It will be like this: when bases reacts with non-metallic oxides, then salt formation takes place with the removal of water. In the exam also, if someone asks you this type of question, then you will write this. Firstly you will write the definition what I have told you, then this thing, and after that you will provide us with the example. So okay students, so that's it for today. So I hope that you all are making your fair notes. So maintain your notes and write all the things properly in your notebook. Okay, and as soon as the school will reopen, we will start reading the chapter. Okay, and then we will do the exercises also. So firstly you make all the notes and complete all the work in your copies. Okay, so tomorrow we will start new topics. Okay, some new topics are there, we will start. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so students, goodbye.